document that explains what to do for this investigation. Once again, it's a softball. I made it pretty easy. What are the rules of the particles of an atom? This in an atom. That is the main investigation question that we're trying to answer with these computer simulations today or this week. So I've got a little introduction, give you like some, some definitions and resources. And then I've kind of, even though this is our main question that we're trying to answer, I also have like some questions to investigate, like kind of, if that was too overwhelming, I give you kind of some little bite-sized questions to kind of get you rolling, So while you're in the sim, try to answer these and you'll probably end up figuring it all out. Okay, so I've got this, we're going to start with the build an atom simulation. That's what you're going to do. You go here, you end up, yeah, I am still screen sharing, right? Yeah. You go here, we end up with this build an atom, we click here, you can, what I'd like you to do is click this net charge and the mass number and then this stable, unstable. Those are all important things. And then you get to put some protons in and some neutrons and some electrons and see what happens. What happens to the element, the net charge and the mass number? What matters? And then you go, oh, I didn't want to go in there. And oh, look, it's unstable. Why is it unstable? That's weird. It's not getting any more stable. Anyway, so these are this is what's going to help you answer those questions. You'll notice that it also has 3 parts. There's this one that we just looked at. Then there's the symbol. And you notice that is how chemists describe elements, kind of tell us what an element is. I want you to know what I want you to know what those 3 numbers really are and how they relate to what you were looking at before. And then the game is a really good, okay, I think the game is fun because I'm a nerd, but that's cool. So the game is a good way to figure out if you really know what you're talking about. If you get one wrong, you can go, I thought this was the answer, but for some reason it's not. And you can use this as a counter example of like, I thought this was the rule, but this is not the rule because this is the rule. That the game is a good way to show you some counter examples to help you hone in on the real rule. Okay, so that is the build an atom.